Good morning everyone, my name is Juan Miguel Citrus and today I will be making my last CPE for ICT, the photoresistor. So let's do this now. So here are my components. An Arduino Uno R3, a large breadboard, LCD 16x2 I2C, 2 piezo, 2 LED, 1, 3, 4, 5 resistors and 1 photoresistor. So this is my circuit. The GND is connected to here to give power, then the 5 volts here to also give power and also power this photoresistor. The A0 is connected here at the bottom of the photoresistor. A4 is connected to the SDA. A5 is connected to the SCL. VCC is connected here, and GND is connected here to give power. So there. So let's take a look at the code. Here is my code. This is the library for the LCD. This is the constant in for each components. The dark is for this piezo. The dark LED is for this LED. Light is for this piezo, and light LED for this LED. So here is my void setup. The sensor pin, which is this one, is put as an input, the dark as an output, this LED dark, the light, and the light LED is an output. Then here's for the LCD to power. Then this is my void loop. This is the sensor which just renames the sensor pin. Then this is the LCD clear, which tells the LCD to always clear. This is my if and else. So here in the if the sensor is much more lower than the threshold, then this will power. The digital write, where dark LED will power on, the light LED will power off, then the LCD will print dark, then the piezo will make a sound. The else, which if the sensor is much higher than the threshold, then it will so yeah, the digital write, where the LED light will power on, the dark LED will power off, this piezo, the dark piezo will power off, then this piezo will power on. You can see here. Then the LCD will print light. So let's take a look at it. There's the light at the dark. Then this is the light. There. So as you can notice, every resistor here is at 220 ohms. But this, it's at the 4.70 kilo ohms because it's what makes it power. So yeah, thank you for watching.